So hello guys, I'm Cristallo. In this video I will show you how to make slap house drop by using FL Studio stock plugins. First make a drop melody and add some layer of leads. On the drop lead channel I've added a EQ for cutting some low muddy and harsh frequencies. Then I've added blood overdrive for distortion. Then I've added sound goodizer for saturation. Then I've added transient processor to make drop leads tight. And then I've added one more EQ for cutting some low and boosting some high frequencies. Then I've added stereo enhancer for making leads wider. And then I've added peak controller for side chaining reverb and fruity reverb too. I've added gross beat for side chaining leads. After drop leads add bassline. On bassline channel I've added a EQ for cutting and boosting some frequencies. Then I've added sound goodizer for saturation. Then I've added blood overdrive for distortion. And then I've added one more EQ for cutting some lower. Then I've added transient processor. And then I've added peak controller for side chaining reverb and fruity reverb too. I've added gross beat for side chaining. And then I've added sub and mid bass. And then I've added some drums, percussion and effects.